Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay. We got it? Okay. Hello. My name is Anandis Verghese, and today I'm going to talk about my Venus project along with Sashmita Neha. Hello. I'm Anandis Verghese and studying in grade 3 choice school Tripunita, Cochin. Over to Neha. My name is Nihar. I am studying in Global Indian International School, grade 2. I am 7 years old. Over to Asmit.
I am Sashmit. I live in Gurgaon. I learn in Heritage Experiential School, also called XLS, and I am in grade 3 and also 7 years old.
Venus temperature. Neha, you say? Venus temperature. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and it's perpetually shrouded in thick, yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid that trap heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. But we can make it by wearing oxygen masks.
Venus temperature.
And growing plants, then we can live on Venus. Venus temperature. Surface temperature on Venus are about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The surface is a rusty color and it's peppered with intensely crunched mountains and thousands of large volcanoes. Venus, how we can live there? We can live on Venus, but on Venus it is so hot because it is very close to the sun, and on nights it's very cold, so we need to be very careful. And if we are not, our body can't handle the pressure, so we need to be careful. And in future, Venus will get a new name, maybe like Venuso. Venus, how we can live there? We can live on Venus, but on Venus it is so hot because it is very close to the sun, and on night it's very cold. So we need to be very careful, and if we are not, our body can't handle the pressure. So we need to be careful, and in future Venus maybe will get oxygen and we can live there. Won't that be something? Over to Sasmit.
Venus carbon dioxide. The atmosphere of Venus is made up of almost completely of carbon dioxide. It also includes small doses of nitrogen and clouds of sulfuric acid. This composition causes a runaway greenhouse effect that that heats the planet even hotter than the surface of Mercury. Although Venus lies farther from the Sun, Venus surface. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, surface temperatures of Venus are about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The surface is a rusty color and is peppered with intensely crunched mountains and thousands of large volcanoes. How can we live there? We can go in a rocket, huh? Won't that be something? It has. It really has to be hot, bro. And we can wear heat protection. We can live there by planting plants. And the plants absorb CO2, carbon dioxide, and gives us oxygen. There's no need for oxygen masks. We can officially live on Venus. Make a heat, acid, and sulfur-proof, pressurized, and oxygenated suit with a carbon dioxide to oxygenate. Put a machine that takes the gaseous elements and then makes it into a liquid form that is the liquid Venusian. Step 1. How can we live there? Step 1. Block the sun from Venus with a set of angular mirrors. Step 2. Wait until the Venus atmosphere rains down, then freezes. Collect ice chunks of Europa using an army of construction drones and shoot them at Venus using mass drivers. Step 4. Put another set of mirrors, one for the sun, one for the moon, to give sun and moon to Venus. Next, step 5. Cut a few of the Venusian surface. Spray a small amount of CO2 to support the plant. After step 5, there will be a lot of plants on the surface. How
How we can live there? Step 1. Block the sun from Venus with a set of angular mirrors. Step 2. Wait until the Venus atmosphere rains down and then freezes. Collect ice chunks of Europa using an army of construction drones and shoot them at Venus using mass. We can live there and the plants absorb CO2, carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen, and there's no need for oxygen masks. We can officially live on Venus. We can make a heat, acid and sulfur-proof pressurized and oxygenated suit with carbon dioxide to oxygenator. How we can live there? Put a machine that takes the gaseous elements, then makes it to its liquid form, then freezes the liquid Venusian atmosphere dry. Step 4. Put another set of mirrors, one for the sun and one for the moon, to give sun and moon to Venus. Cut a few of the Venusian surface. Spray a small amount of carbon dioxide to support the plants. After step 5, there will be many plants on the surface. After a few thousand years, Venus will have water and land. Its atmosphere will become breathable by humans. Why can't we live on Venus before terraforming? Because it has carbon dioxide and has millions of it. So we need oxygen masks. But that's not what we are talking about. We are talking on how to live there. Thank you. By Aaron, Nihar, and Sashmi.
Sashwin.